tour was really nice and interesting thanks to our guide Maria. She knew lots of history of Bruges and we learned a lot. At the end she explained where the boat was to be taken and we could do a short chocolate tasting. For people who had a beer tasting she also explained where to go. I recommend this tour. Maria, our guide, was passionate about Bruges and made the tour very interesting. Lovely boat trip too. I had such a great time. The weather was perfect and we saw a lot of spots. The 10:30 itinerary required gathering 15 minutes early, and we arrived early. However, someone in the same group was late and had to wait for nearly 10 minutes. It felt bad. Others are pretty good. You can choose a suitable time to take the sightseeing boat on the day.